Hello everyone. I have a question for you, and because I'm just a small YouTuber I cannot place a post, so I have to make a video for it. Because I have a question what you would like me to make for my next Make What You See in the Shops video. I have a few options and I can choose myself, so I hope you will do the choice for me. I have a camel cooked wool of which I can make a coat. So if you like a woolen coat, then vote for this one. I have a puffer black embroidered fabric of which I would like to make a cape. So if you like a cape in black, then vote for this one. And then I still have a beautiful white lace of which I wanted to make a dress. So if you want the last dress for this summer made out of this beautiful lace, then vote for this one. I can't leave it for next year, but maybe I should, because summer here in my country is over, but it's really nice, so I don't know. So please tell me what you would like. Would you like me to make the camel one, the camel coat, the black cape, or the white summer dress as the last summer project of this year? Please let me know and I'll make a new video out of that. Thank you.